Hi everyone, Kev from TDN here. Just going to do a quick review today on MooseKnuckle. I'm using this truck for an example purely and simply for the fact, well, one, the size of the tyre, and secondly this big void between the tyre and the arch. Imaginary dent up here. Just going to show you a couple of scenarios. At the moment everyone is going to be levering off the tyre. On a smaller vehicle, lower profile tyre, you're not going to lose as much pressure out of the tool as what you will do with these. So you have a dent on here. Personally, I like to, if I'm gonna eat, you see a lot of guys, in order to bridge this gap, start putting their hands underneath, creating all sorts of problems with your hands. So really and truly you want to keep that clear. So, but you can see here now I've got a rubber tip on the end of this, and I'm pushing pretty hard. You can see the amount of flex in the bar and the tyre, but nothing is happening up here really. Tiny little high, little push, but for the amount of effort I'm putting in, not a huge amount is happening. Actually, I was doing a Nissan Navara. I had a dent down here, and I had this exact same problem. I just couldn't get the purchase and leverage I needed. I had the prototype at the time, used the prototype, and it just allowed me to do everything. Loads of power, loads of control, exactly what you need. You can get a strap for these. I personally don't like the strap. I like to just be able to move it around a bit more. The strap will just go through here, through the bottom here, and around the wheel. So you are going to have to feed it through. But it does keep the tool, pretty stable. To be honest with you, it's got this backing here. This is our workshop one. It's like a pretty rough backing. So once it's on the top of the tyre, it's not moving. It's not exactly going to fall off either. This here can be adjusted, the eye point. So you can move this lock wheel right down, and this can be spun all the way in. So if you have, even a low profile tyre, you can have this set up for it. For this one here, I'm just going to raise this up a touch, and now I'll put the tyre up there, the tool up there, a lever. See, I'm getting a lot more pressure, into that arch now, very easily, very easy. So it just gives me a bit more control, a bit more power. Obviously saves the problems on the hands. So just a really good little tool. Something that's not going to use it every day, but the days you do use it, it's going to be absolutely invaluable.
Please visit www.tdntools.com, or why not subscribe to our YouTube channel to see many more reviews like this of latest tools.